We're here with Joel. I always forget, what number are you? 43, Jay. Okay, so yeah, we're here at the track. I've been out for a couple of weeks. He's been fighting the entire time I've been gone. So we're gonna get out there fighting for those top three. Hopefully we can get, Joel, Brady, that's Mr. Red, Lightning McQueen over there, and myself, that top three. We can get out in front of everybody and we'll run away with it and fight for the first.
Sounds good to me.
Let's do it.
Don't look now. Brady the Wild Child Lorenz found his line, and that is high, wide, and handsome. Leader of lap one, Weston Smith. Brady Lorenz getting even higher than Weston Smith right now, though. Kolstad back to third, Lorenz second. Weston Smith on the point. Oh, Kolstad might have an issue. He's slowing into 3 and 4 a little bit. Weston Smith leads this lap, but he's under attack from Brady Lorenz. Brady Lorenz has 4 feature wins right now, looking to make it 5 tonight. He took over the points lead last weekend. He and Smith going door to door now. Who's going to lead lap number 3? It is Brady Lorenz. With Bishop and Kolstad doing some battling of their own back there.
Not done yet.
Weston Smith fought back on the low line. These two men racing hard, racing clean. Weston Smith knows he needs to pull up in front and break that momentum. Brady Lorenz took it just a little bit higher and led that lap as well. Smith has the momentum in 1 and 2. Lorenz gets it in 3 and 4. There it is. Smith throws it in there again. Doesn't slide up in front of Lorenz. Coming to the line. Lorenz gets him that lap as well. 3 laps remaining in Big Sky Speedway Sport Compact Heat number 2. This is the first time in a while Smith hasn't got up to the door of Brady Lorenz. So Brady Lorenz is going to try to take the momentum and carry it. Smith throws it in there hard, saves it. And Lorenz will lead lap number 6. Look a little further back. You've got Bishop and Garrettson side by side. Bishop on the low line, Garrettson on the high line. Bishop is up to the 3rd spot after having a rough start in this heat race. White flag flies. 1 lap to go for Brady the Wild Child Lorenz with Weston Smith in 2nd. With Bishop 3rd, Jim Garrettson 4th, and Hayden Kolstad in 5th. Final time for Lightning McQueen's own Brady Lorenz coming down, taking the checkered flag. In heat race number 2, Weston Smith finishes 2nd.
Good job, boys. Dude, you held it for like 7 of the 8 laps.
That turn 3, all of a sudden it was a little slick.
You were digging in turn 3. It was 1 and 2 that he kept losing you, it looked like.
Yeah, they were completely different. So, 2nd place in the heat, led for a good portion of it. I only chased him the last 2 laps.
You gave him a good race.
Yeah, that was a good race. I need the 60 series tires.
Yeah?
100%, because he had more speed through it and could accelerate out of it even with me in second gear.
Yeah.
I ran second gear at the end of the race.
I can tell. It didn't seem like you were going too much faster.
Because I was in turn 3 and 4, I was getting a little more kick out without even meaning it. Like it was just all of a sudden I was flipping out way more.
Yeah.
In that mid and low track. But low track is faster if I can get it, and it was dry. So that works. But are my fans running?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Okay, good. But yeah, so I'm happy with that. Car is 100% competitive. I went around those first two in the first lap.
Oh yeah.
Like they weren't even there.
Oh yeah.
Not a problem. So definitely shooting for top 3. I think Joel got 3rd.
Yeah.
From what I heard. So
yeah. He had a rough one.
We'll see where we start, and we'll hit that outside line. I'll throw in 3rd, and I'll run it hard. So.
Quickly growing. So if you want to dip your toe in the racing bug, this is your chance.
Here we go. About to go green.
Coming to get the green flag. Carson Herbert hits the gas. Double 08 of Robert Herbert. We are 4 wide for the lead. Bishop wants 2 wins in a row. And he's got the point. Rick Bishop takes the lead in number 1. Weston Smith using that high side in the 25 car all the way up to 2nd after starting in the 8th spot. Then you look back, Brady Loren in the 95 car. Once again, up to 3rd in 1 lap. He started in the 10th spot, and he's up to 3rd in 1 lap.
Oh my God, Brady is trucking.
Though, you've got Rick Bishop leading lap 2 as well. Hust throws his car in there. Colstead, he makes just a tad bit of contact. Then you got a couple of Herberts juking it out. Bishop, Smith, Lorenz is right on that berm of the outside. Oh, we got a spinner. Looks like off the backstretch. That looks like Joel Niebling on the backstretch. I didn't see just a puff of dust.
Woo! Oh, now he's got to start on the inside though.
That thing refired. Probably terrifying. Your leader, Rick Bishop, followed by Brady Lorenz and Weston Smith. Excuse me, Weston Smith and Brady Lorenz in that order.
Oh shit. Okay.
Weston Smith wanted the high line. Brady Lorenz is going to have to earn it on the low line if he wants it.
Get him.
Bishop does not get a good start. We are 3 wide at the start-finish line. Smith is going to get the bad end of that deal as
Come on.
Pressure. Brady Lorenz takes the top spot. Bishop fighting back. Look at Corey Pritchett motor down the backstretch. Had to check up there, but he got a wicked run through 1 and 2. Now he's going to lose a spot because he had to check up. And the double 08 looks like he has another issue. Robert Herbert is off the pace down low.
Oh, is he going to get spun?
Lorenz, Bishop, and Smith, your top 3. Hust, Niebling, Herbert, and Pritchett.
Go, Joel!
4th spot. Hust has it. Niebling wants it after his spin. Hust is on the line. 16 laps to go. Your top 3 nose to tail. And your 4th place battle is a hornet's nest. Hust and Niebling both get loose at the exact same time in turn 3 and 4. That allows Pritchett to reel both of them back in. Pritchett looks to be extremely comfortable in that car, making gains week in and week out. He is the 24 Ricky Bobby themed car, vying for the 5th spot right now. He and Justin Hust are going at it. Brady Lorenz still your leader with 14 laps to go. Bishop and Smith, your top 3 still. Joel Lieber went for a spin and has 4th right now, but he is about to be under fire from Corey Pritchett. Pritchett's gonna need a yellow flag to even have a shot at this, it looks like. So Lorenz is hauling the mail on that right side.
He needs those 60 series tires, man.
14 car, Rick Bishop. Oh, we've got a yellow flag.
All right, here's our
Looks
yellow.
like the announcer's curse is real tonight. Corey Pritchett. We are coming to get the green flag. Brady Lorenz, your leader.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
Weston Smith gets shot out of a cannon. Looking low on Lorenz, applying the pressure.
Get him!
Bishop there too. We're going to have a 3-car race for the lead heading into turns 3 and 4. Smith, Lorenz, neither man giving an inch. Give it to Lorenz this lap. Bishop now makes it 3 wide.
Oh, shit!
Brady Lorenz is going to carry that momentum on the high side to the lead. Weston Smith in second, Rick Bishop third, Joel Nabling in fourth there, finally getting some good luck going for the night.
Here you go. Oh, he's got you outside of that corner.
Rick Bishop applying pressure to Weston Smith for second. Now remember, Weston Smith
We're in second and
gave us
center.
a bunch of Auto Mafia racing shirts to give out throughout the season, so keep an eye out for giveaways like that. Rick Bishop took the second spot from him on the high line. Brady Lorenz cruising, trying for his fifth spot. Weston Smith really throws it into turns 3 and 4. Slight contact, but Bishop's got the momentum on the high side.
There you go.
To go to get his 5th feature win in a row here at Big Sky Speedway. Potentially, there's still a lot of racing left. But that young man's vying for a big deal. Holds off 08 JR car of Carson Herbert, keeps that spot. 4 laps remaining for Brady the Wild Child Lorenz. Bishop and Lorenz have now spaced themselves from the rest of the pack. Smith is in 3rd, Needland 4th, and Justin Hust is in 5th.
Those two fighting side by side could slow him down, but I think that might be it.
Through 3 and 4, Bishop is starting to reel in Brady Lorenz. He has found a line, has now cut his lead by 33%. 2 laps to go. It may be too little too late, but the 14 has found a line that is working. 2 laps to go as they head through 3 and 4. Lorenz wiggles just a little bit. Bishop reels him in just a little bit more. White flag is out. 1 lap to go for your IMCA Sport Compacts. Rick Bishop reels him in down through 1 and 2 on the back stretch. Look for him to make a big move in 3 and 4. Brady Lorenz seems like he knows he's there. Bishop wiggles. Brady Lorenz wins 5 in a row.
That was a hell of a race. So why do they got you pulled off over here? Oh. All right. I'll let you be there.
hot. I need those other tires. I don't have as much torque coming out of turn 4. They just extend on me every time, and I was foot flat to the floor. So need those other tires and probably to look over the motor. Is my fan running? Yeah. She's hot. Okay, it's warm. Hey, 3rd place. Happy with that. Definitely gonna order the tires for next weekend. Gotta get a 60 series tire on. That'll help for sure. But hell of a good time. Good race. It was super slick out there. The car was just jumping. There was a real big bump in turn 1 and turn 2. But it's what it is. Get the right tire. Come back next week. Have some more fun.